Hello dear friends, today I want to teach you how to change your CPU specifications. It's very easy, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start the tutorial, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's started. Open the Run program, then type Regedit. Follow this step. As you can see, my computer has 12 cores. You need to apply the same changes to all of these folders. As you can see, no matter which section you check your computer specifications from, they are all the same. If you enjoy this type of technical videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And for notifications about our upcoming videos, make sure to press the bell icon as well.